Welcome to kitchenshawaii.com. Whether you have a limited budget or the sky's the limit, we can help you create the kitchen of your dreams. Click the link on our website and fill out the form. One of our experts will help listen to your ideas and recommend the best way to make them a reality. You'll even have initial 3D designs ready to look at in about a week. We've been building on Oahu for several years now. Sooner or later, it's time to redo the kitchen. We work fast, and we're a local family-oriented company with journeyman carpenters. We love our customers, and we love what we do for work. This really makes the job site shine with enthusiasm. If you're thinking about redoing your kitchen, before you do anything else, it's time to sit down with an expert who can help you turn your vision into who can help you. When others say it can't be done, we know how. Our journeyman carpenters are highly skilled, and our architects understand how to make things happen. When you fill out the form, one of our experts will schedule a no-obligation free consultation to discuss your ideas and discover how to make your vision a reality. If you're looking for a fantastic construction company here in Oahu, you've come to the right place. Welcome to kitchenshawaii.com.